Hey friend, welcome back to Doing with Tyranzia. So let me tell y'all something. Y'all know I think I'm the Canva queen, right? I can do all things in Canva. Y'all can do this in Canva. So I did recreate this image in Canva. I had to find her picture online, remove the background, and I found this vintage sunset. So yeah, found it. So let me show y'all. And one thing you want to do when customers send you a design and they be like, hey, can you create this for me? Honey, it would be very similar. It would not be exact. That would save you so many times. Just let them know, like, hey, I can try, but that is not my work. I got to recreate that. Sometimes you can get it just right. Sometimes it's going to be very similar. So you always want to communicate that to your customer, like, hey, I'm not the original artist on this. I'm not the original creator. So I'm going to get you as close to possible. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But I don't make no promises. So y'all see? You see, because at the bottom of this shirt, you see how like it's some trees cut out in there. So I got to try to make it as close to that as possible. Yeah. I'll make it a little bit longer because it does go all the way over. It's not really into her face, but it's cutting off some of her shirt, right? So the only thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take, well, first of all, I'm going to change this to a color. It kind of works better when you change it to a solid color. So we're going to change it to a solid color. Then we're just going to make sure we copy it and the image that we're trying to take it from, right? So you're going to go right here to subtract all. Give it a few minutes because it's going to take some time, child. It's going to take some time. Just be patient with it. It'll let you know when it's done. Okay, let's check. Bam, there it is. There it is. So listen. Now what I'm going to do, because it ain't the exact image that she sent me. It's very similar, very close, but it ain't the exact image that she sent me. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna send it to her for a proof. And I'm gonna actually make this a little smaller. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. First of all, because I got everything in line, I'm gonna go ahead and select everything. I'm gonna group it. Then I went to the internet, found a shirt, and you want to make an image of you want your mock-up image to be as similar to the person that you're sending it to. Body type it all because you want that person to be able to visualize themselves in the shirt. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this, but I'm gonna cut it down because I really don't want her whole face. Because sometimes people look at the face like they don't look nothing like me. They can't visualize that. So I want to help her be able to visualize this, right? I'm just gonna take it. Hold on. I'm gonna cut some of this off. Maybe just leave her chin and her blonde, pretty hair. Yep. And then I'm gonna crop it this time because I only want that part of it. Yep. I'm just gonna bring it bigger. Okay. I'm not gonna worry about them lines at the back because I'm gonna show y'all how to fix it. I'm gonna take this, right click it, bring it to the front. Make it small enough to go on her body. Okay. Y'all like that? Make it bigger for you. Let's see. So yeah, at first when I read this show, I'm like, tease it to Jesus and spray it like hell. I don't know if I like that saying, but then, yeah, as I kept looking at pictures of Miss Dolly, because it was hard for me to find this picture. Yeah, she mean like, I think she mean, y'all correct me if I'm wrong, because I ain't never heard this song. Tease her hair, high as Jesus, and spray it like hell. Is that what she mean? If that ain't what she mean, y'all tell me. I know y'all gonna tell me in the comments because y'all showed something about that time in the comments. I'm gonna get my life together though. I'm gonna get my life together. Listen, so the only thing I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna file, I'm gonna save as hard drive, then I'm gonna save it as that's the person name, PNG. I'm gonna say okay. I'm gonna say no because I'm no because I need to. Hold on. Shane Dolly. Capitalize Miss Dolly name, baby. Dolly Sunset Mockup. Okay. So I'm just gonna y'all hear that Brett? Y'all hear? Hold on. Okay, so right here is where you make sure you check it for transparent background. And you can't do this, I think, with the free one. I'm not sure. Okay, but it's a one-time charge. So if you do have to pay the upgrade, it's a one-time charge, right? So now just go to my pictures. It's right here. And what I'm gonna do is make sure everything looks good. And you see it doesn't have those lines beside it because I did it for a transparent background. And y'all, I think it's cute. So I'm finna send it to him. Be like, hey, look, check it out. Okay? So I couldn't do it in Canva, y'all. I could not just do this one little part in Canva. But that's where you have your backup system at. Yep, you gotta use some backup software sometime, baby. And Silhouette Studio saved the day because I've been trying to work on this shirt for like 2 days and I was over it. I was gonna be like, hey, find somebody else to do it. But can't do your customers like that, especially when they think you the design queen, baby. You gotta keep your reputation up in the streets. But listen, bye for ringing.